Even somebody else that I know was very instrumental early in your career was Sugar Minott.
Well, Sugar Minott, I am one of the Sugar Minott have a thing with him. Something for the youth them, youth man promotion. And that make that bill because of me and Tristan Palmer, Lady Ann, and God, what I was youth and
Captain
stuff.
Sinbad and all
Captain Sinbad, yeah. And then Yami Bowler them come on after, Tenasa come on after, Nitty Gritty come on after. And you understand? So, and the whole work. So, me was one of the first Youthman promotion.
You're one of the first artists around Youthman promotion.
Yes, and Tristan Palmer.
Yeah.
Both of us was the two first. You understand? So, Mr. Manuel always appreciate. One at a time, the way I love Sugar Minott, I used to try to sing like him. Yeah, you understand? In the early days. But when we used to, they were on Sugar Minott, I go there as a DJ, you know.
As a DJ first.
Yeah, I go there as a DJ because if you hear a song with the three of us, Captain Sinbad, Sugar Minott, and myself, I may have the little voice in there at 8 years of age. I say, go there, Sinbad, go there. But that's the song when I'm 51 time and never gone. You understand? So, as I say, Sugar Minott live to see me grow up on him. That's me and him start, go places, start, go tour, go places in Europe, places all over because him say, boy, he's one of the fastest students where come up and just bust out and, you know, and I take the place by storm. So me have to give Sugar Minott respect because, you know, and I miss him so bad, but it's just what it is.
It's one of those things, because even with Sugar Minott, how did you even connect with somebody like Sugar Minott? Because he was a big artist at this time already when you linked with him.
Yes, because when I used to do like penny concert and something there, it's like a Sugar Minott song them me sing, you know. And I do a penny concert thing in they was doing a it's not really a penny concert, that was like they're doing a concert at Trenchtown School, and I was invited, and when I go on stage as little bit of youth, doing a song for Sugar named Vanity, you understand, and me I tell her, say, the amount of money they fling up on the stage there when I was very, you know, so me I said, Jesus, it look like, you know, I'm doing something good. So Sugar Minott called me and said, listen, you know what I'm going to do? I got a load of DJ business there. Because they see the voice we have, sing if you sing music. I saw me come with the singjay, you know, because when I used to DJ, I Sugar say, me can better me sing. So me say, you know what, I go carry a style in this business, you know. And when I take that style in this business, you know, that's why the style take off, you know. Because I have song when I sing, and I have song when I sing.
Okay, so you were doing both at first. You came in as a DJ,
Yeah.
but Sugar Minott said start to sing.
Yeah.
So you were singing and you were singjay.
Yeah.
Did you understand what singjay was at that time, or you were just trying to think? How did you come across that?
Well, I didn't know, say, it's singjay. Why I didn't know. I tell myself, say, I'm gonna sing fast and a slow rhythm. You understand? And that's a singjay, right? So when me hear a song like the general rhythm, and me say, instead of me sing, when you hold me, girl, hold me strong. No, me go faster than that. All over me, big girl, all over me. She know I'm with me back at just strictly me, babe. That's singjay. You understand? So that's why I say sometime in life, people have to do. You can't tell me say my thing never have a name when I get a trophy, when I get new singjay for the ear in a Yellow Man time.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.